Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this woolen fabric effect in UE5 Niagara. You can see I have this threads also in this. And if I select this, I can reduce the size like this. And if I duplicate it with just pressing Alt and dragging it, it will give me different colors every time. So when I'm duplicating, it will give me different patterns. Okay, so you can see it looks cool. So I have already created it, but I will create it again. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Here's my link, CGHOW underscore. This link is in description also, so you can follow me on Twitter. So I have this effect here, and let me create it again. So Control P. Here's the effect. I'll create a new folder. Test. And if I open this effect here, you can see in the emitter also it looks cool. Okay. So every time it will repeat, it will give me different pattern. So if I make it here and now, see it will give me different patterns. So how I created this? Let's create this again. Okay, so in this test folder, I need a emitter, a system. So I'll take this fountain and this is my test. Then here we have this, so I don't need these modules, and I'll spawn some particles.